Making money through online surveys can be a great way to make an extra $100 a day. It's a relatively easy way to make money, and you can do it from the comfort of your home. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on making money. If you enjoy the video, feel free to share. Here are some tips on how to make $100 a day with online surveys. First, sign up for as many survey sites as you can find. Research them to make sure they are reputable and offer good payouts. Look for ones that offer rewards in cash or gift cards, as those tend to be more rewarding than surveys that only offer reward points. Once you have signed up for a few sites, you can start taking surveys. Second, set up a daily survey schedule. Make sure to set aside at least an hour or two every day to take surveys. It will help you maximize your earnings. You may also want to set aside specific times throughout the day to take surveys. For example, you might take surveys in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Third, take as many surveys as you can. The more surveys you take, the more money you can make. Some sites offer bonuses for completing a certain number of surveys. Make sure to read the fine print so you know how many surveys you need to complete to get the bonus. Fourth, stay organized. Keep track of the surveys you've taken and the rewards you've earned. You may want to use a spreadsheet or other tracking system to stay on top of your earnings. It will help you stay on top of your daily goal of making $100. Finally, be patient. Making money with online surveys can take time. You may not see immediate results, but if you stay consistent and take surveys regularly, you will eventually reach your goal of making $100 daily. With some research, organization, and patience, you can make your goal a reality.